So what's the day-to-day work of someone in IT support like? Well, it varies a ton based on whether you're doing in-person or remote support and at a small business or a large enterprise company. And there's really no such thing as day-to-day work, since the puzzles and challenges are always new and interesting. But in general, an IT support specialist makes sure that an organization's technological equipment is running smoothly. This includes managing, installing, maintaining, troubleshooting, and configuring office and computing equipment. This program is designed to prepare you for an entry-level role in IT help desk support. You'll learn how to set up a user's desktop or workstation, how to install the computer applications that people use the most. You'll learn how to fix a problem or troubleshoot when something goes wrong, and how to put practices in place to prevent similar problems from happening again. Not only will you learn the technical aspects of troubleshooting a problem, you'll also learn how to communicate with users in order to best assist them. We'll also show you how to set up a network from scratch to connect to the internet, teach you a thing or two about automation and scripting, and teach you about how to implement security to make sure your systems are safe from hackers and other risks. For me, my favorite part of IT support is the problem-solving aspect. I love to exercise my creativity to spin up a solution to a user's issue. Being an IT generalist also gave me the flexibility to learn and practice so many different skills and eventually determine where I want to focus my career. Plus, when things go wrong or you fail at something in IT, you can take the feedback from those mistakes and be better equipped to tackle them the next time around. Using failure as a feedback is an important skill both in IT and in life. For me, that's why I was so attracted to the IT field. I love the process of problem solving and constantly stretching myself to learn and grow. There's also never been more opportunity to get into the IT industry than now. Not only is the field of IT incredibly diverse, but job prospects are also booming. It's projected that IT jobs in the US alone will grow 12% in the next decade. That's higher than the average for all other occupations. So what does this all mean? There are thousands of companies around the world searching for IT professionals like you. So the main gist is that IT is totally awesome and full of opportunity, and we're so excited that you're here. So let's dive right in.